Pickle-flavored toothpaste. Start your day with a briny twist to your oral hygiene routine. Squirrel underpants. Keep your backyard squirrels modest with these tiny underwear. Desktop drum kit. Make your work breaks rock with this miniature drum set for your desk. Avocado slicer. Simplify the process of preparing avocados with this specialized tool. Selfie toaster. Put your face on your morning toast with a customized selfie toaster. Dinosaur taco holders. Enjoy your tacos in prehistoric style with dinosaur-shaped holders. Cat butt tissue holder. Add a touch of feline humor to your tissue box. Floating globe. Impress your guests with a globe that levitates in midair. Shark sleeping bag. Snuggle up inside a shark's mouth for a fearsome nap. Toilet bowl night light. Navigate the bathroom at night with a toilet bowl light that changes colors. Cactus ice cube tray. Chill your drinks with ice cubes shaped like cute cacti. Fish slippers. Walk around the house with fish-shaped slippers on your feet. Bubble wrap suit. Be your own source of entertainment with a suit made of bubble wrap. Pizza pouch. Keep a spare slice of pizza close to your heart with this pizza slice-shaped pouch. USB pet rock hub. Expand your USB capabilities with a hub shaped like a pet rock. Inflatable unicorn horn for cats. Transform your cat into a majestic unicorn. LED plant pot. Light up your plants with a color-changing LED pot. Dinosaur wine holder. Store your favorite bottle of wine in the jaws of a dinosaur. Hairy leggings. Confuse onlookers with leggings that make it look like you have extremely hairy legs. Finger hands. Give your fingers a hand with these tiny finger puppets. Giant inflatable pizza slice. Float on a pizza slice in your pool. Glow-in-the-dark toilet paper. Illuminate your bathroom experience. Banana holder for bicycles. Safely transport your banana on your bike with a dedicated holder. Desktop boxing. Take out your stress with a mini desktop punching bag. Holographic projector. Turn any room into a holographic wonderland. Edible insects. Embrace sustainable protein with a variety pack of edible bugs. Personalized bobblehead. Get a custom bobblehead in your likeness. Cat paw chair socks. Protect your floors with cute cat paw-shaped socks for your chair legs. Mustache ice cube tray. Make your drinks dapper with mustache-shaped ice cubes. Toilet monster decal. Surprise guests with a cheeky monster lurking in your toilet bowl. Inflatable party sheep. Bring the life of the party with an inflatable sheep. Bread slippers. Keep your feet cozy with slippers shaped like loaves of bread. Penguin wine holder. Store your wine bottle in the flippers of a cute penguin. Unicorn meat. A can of unicorn meat for the adventurous eater. Pancake printer. Print intricate designs on your pancakes with this special printer. LED shoelaces. Light up your steps with these colorful and flashing shoelaces. Plant urinal. Combine nature and functionality with a planter that doubles as a urinal. Giant gummy bear. Enjoy a massive gummy bear in various flavors. Sushi socks. Keep your feet warm with socks that look like sushi rolls. Bacon bandages. Patch up minor wounds with bacon-shaped bandages. Giraffe neck desk. Work in style with a desk that mimics the long neck of a giraffe. Piano gloves. Play a virtual piano with gloves that detect your finger movements. USB pet rock. A modern take on the classic pet rock with added USB functionality. Butter stick cutter. Easily slice through cold butter with a handheld butter stick cutter. Bubble calendar. Pop a bubble each day to mark the date on this unique calendar. Penguin umbrella. Stay dry with an umbrella that looks like a penguin when closed. Mop slippers. Clean your floors while you walk with slippers that have mop-like soles. Glowing LED faucet light. Illuminate your water with a faucet attachment that changes colors. Dachshund hot dog cutter. Turn hot dogs into cute dachshund-shaped snacks. Finger forks. Eat like royalty with forks that attach to your fingers.